Debentures, okay. So debentures are basically a debt instrument. There are two types of, we can classify debentures into two categories. Convertible debentures and non-convertible debentures. Debentures are two types we can classify, convertible debentures and non-convertible. In convertible debentures, when a debt instrument, so I told you this debenture is a debt instrument, okay. When it get matured, when a debenture get matured, and when the people who have borrowed this money have to pay back the principal amount, so instead of paying back the principal, they have an option to convert that money, that principal amount, into equity. So in convertible debentures, we can convert this debentures, that is which is a debt instrument, into equity. In non-convertible debentures, it is very clear, you cannot, once the debenture matures, the principal amount have to be paid. And be very clear, it is debentures are similar to bond in the sense that interest have to be paid regularly, and during the end of the tenure, it have to pay back the principal. So interest will be paid in the debenture, whether it is on a regular basis, whether it is convertible or non-convertible. It is only in relation to the principal amount, which they have to pay back once the term ends, once the tenure of the debt instrument ends. You have the option whether you can convert into equity or not. If you can convert into equity, it is a convertible debenture. If you cannot convert into equity, it is called as non-convertible debenture. It is a concept, okay. So another feature, so basically debentures, so those debentures which can't be converted into shares or equities are called as non-convertible debentures. Non-convertible debentures are used as tools to raise long-term funds by company through public issue. So basically, they use this, okay. And since non-convertible debentures, okay, so they cannot convert, okay. So to comments, so they are not able to convert into equity, since in the non-convertible debentures, since they cannot convert into equity, lenders are usually given a higher rate of return. So non-convertible debentures, in non-convertible debentures are provided with a higher rate of return compared to convertible debentures. So those who invest in non-convertible debentures, the return they will be getting will be higher in non-convertible debentures compared to convertible debentures. So this you keep in mind, okay. So there will be higher rate of return for non-convertible debentures compared to convertible debentures. Now we will try to solve this question. Non-convertible debentures are used to raise long-term funds. Yes, first statement is correct. Non-convertible debentures are used to raise long-term funds. Then convertible debentures get higher rate of return than non-convertible debenture. No, it is vice versa. It is opposite. That is, it is opposite, okay. It's not convertible debentures getting, non-convertible debentures get higher rate of return than convertible debentures. So second statement is wrong. So first statement is right, means you can eliminate B and C. If second statement is wrong, means you can eliminate D. So you will get your answer as 1 and 3 only. Another important feature of non-convertible debenture is that, okay, compared to convertible, see, they offer, non-convertible debenture offer high liquidity and safety to the investor, okay. Another important point to note down is that this debentures or non-convertible debentures, okay, so they are listed in the stock market. So non-convertible debentures are listed in the stock market. They are listed in the stock market. So since they are listed in the stock markets and since they are traded, you can sell, the person who have invested in the non-convertible debenture, he can sell it in the stock market, okay. So they are having, in that way, non-convertible debentures offer higher liquidity. So anytime if you want to sell it and get back your money, it is possible, you can sell it in the stock market, okay. So non-convertible debentures offer higher liquidity and also safety to the investor, okay. So third feature is also correct, even though that is not required, because by eliminating one, by knowing one is correct, two is wrong, we get to know A is your answer. but these features you keep in mind, okay. So, non-convertible debentures means they are debentures which cannot be converted into equity. They offer higher, non-convertible debentures get higher rate of return compared to convertible debentures. They are highly liquid because they are tradable, and it offers safety to investors. So these features you keep in mind regarding non-convertible debentures.